Ever feel like you are stuck in an Excel loop? You know, the one where you are copying and pasting the same complicated formula over and over. Or you have built a formula so long it's a mystery even to you. For the longest time, the only real solution was to learn VBA, which felt like a whole new world. But what if there was an easier way? A way to create your own custom Excel functions, just like sum or average, that's simple, reusable, and requires no code. Welcome to the world of LAMBDA. This is game changer. Let's take a common task, calculating a sales bonus. The rule is if sales are over 10,000, you get a 5% bonus. If they are between 5,000 and 10,000, you get 3%. Otherwise, no bonus. The formula to do this looks something like this. It works, but it's not very easy to read. And if the rules change, you would have to edit every single cell where you have used it. This is where we run into problem with readability and maintenance. And here we introduce LAMBDA. Think of it as a way to create a package for your formula. You give it a name and tell it what inputs it needs. Then you put your complex formula inside. This is how you create a LAMBDA formula. First of all, go to Formula tab, open Name Manager, and here type the name of formula, and here type the formula. This is the basic structure of LAMBDA function. We will give our function one input, which we will call sales. Now we have a custom function. We have just saved it in the name manager. Now instead of that long formula, we can simply type calculate bonus and address of the cell and drag it down. It's clean, it's simple, and it's perfect. If the bonus structure changes, you don't have to update 100 cells. You just go in the name manager, edit the calculate bonus definition once, and every single cell updates instantly. That's a huge time saver and error reducer. Before you go and start building your own, here are a few quick tips for success. Always build your formula in a regular cell first. Make sure it works perfectly before you wrap it in LAMBDA and move it to the name manager. Give your LAMBDA functions clear descriptive names. Calculate bonus is much better than my function. In the name manager, use the comment field to add a brief description of what your function does. This is like a mini instruction manual for anyone who uses your spreadsheet. I truly believe this is one of the most powerful features to come to Excel in a long time. It puts the power to customize and automate right at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Excel tips.